Did you know you can now use CapCut to create high-quality videos in minutes, even if you don't have any video editing experience? In this CapCut AI video editing tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to use CapCut's new AI tool to create professional videos fast, from generating scripts to voiceovers to building AI avatars and virtual models automatically. Whether you're a beginner content creator just starting out your YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok journey, or you're a business owner looking for a quick, professional way to create content without spending hours editing, this tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know to create amazing results in minutes. So watch till the end to see how each feature works and how you can use them to create viral videos in minutes. The first feature we're starting with is the CapCut Free AI Video Maker. This tool is completely powered by AI and can generate your entire video for you. The scripts, images, avatars, clips, subtitles, and even music. It's built for easy workflow, fast video generation, and effortless creativity. All you need to do is type in a simple video idea, and within minutes it produces a high quality, ready to publish video. So whether you're a beginner or a professional content creator, this tool can act like your personal video assistant. Once you open CapCut, you'll see a section called AI Video Maker. Click on that and it will take you to a new page where you can start your project. The first thing to do here is to click on New Project, then open up the main interface where you will start creating your video. Now let's walk through how to actually make a video from scratch. You'll see an option labeled Script, so click on it and a new window called Create Script will open. This is where you provide the topic of your video, basically what your video is about. So for example, I'm typing 10 facts about wild elephants. Next, you'll be asked to enter key points relating to your topic. If you already have them, then put them here, but if you don't worry, you can always ask ChatGPT to help you generate them as well. For instance, I asked ChatGPT for 10 key points about wild elephants and then simply copied and pasted them into this section. Below that, you'll see the duration option as well. So like I mentioned earlier, CapCut lets you create the videos up to 10 minutes long, which is rare for a free AI tool. But for this demo, I will select about 3 minutes and you can choose whatever duration that fits your project. Once everything is ready, click Create and CapCut will take a few minutes to generate your script automatically. After that, we'll add the voice, the visuals, and subtitles. To do that, just scroll down and click on Scenes. This opens a new window where you can basically customize every part of your video. If you want an on-screen presenter, you can select an avatar from the options here. There are plenty of professional ones to choose from, especially if you're creating something like a news style video or a talking head video. For this tutorial, I don't really need an avatar, so I'll just move straight to the voice. Here, you can preview and select a voice that fits your video's tone. So once you find the one you like, click Apply to all scenes and CapCut will automatically generate a voiceover for your entire script. Next, move to Media right beside the Voice tab. This is where you'll generate your visuals. So you have 3 basic options. The first is Generate AI Media, which creates visuals using AI that matches your script. The second is Match Your Media, which lets you to upload your own clips and the AI places them in the right scene. The third option is Match Stock Media, which automatically matches your script to relevant stock footage. Right now, the Generate AI Media feature isn't fully reliable, and Match Your Media can sometimes misplace clips as well. So the best option is Match Stock Media, but don't worry, the footage it uses is safe for monetization. All you need to do is click on Match next to Match Stock Media and CapCut will automatically build your video visuals, music, subtitle, and everything perfectly synced into your script in just a few minutes, and that's it. Your video is ready to preview. Here is a short clip of the final result, all created with one simple prompt using CapCut's AI Video Maker.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving deep into the world of one of the planet Earth's most majestic creatures, the wild elephant.
The next feature we're exploring is CapCut's AI dialogue scene, and this one honestly is amazing. It's a smart self-portrait based video creation tool that can take any still image like a selfie, pet photo, and even artwork and bring it to life. In just a few taps, you can make your image talk, sing, or even react as if it was a real person. This feature uses advanced advanced AI to sync your voice and facial movements perfectly, so the end result looks surprisingly realistic. It supports dynamic emotions, natural dialogue syncing, and even character role play, which makes it perfect for creating short skits, music clips, podcasts, or storytelling videos without needing camera at all. Once you're inside CapCut, head over to the AI avatar dialogue scene section. This is where all the magic happens. So upload your image. It can be your own portrait or a product photo or even a famous painting, and CapCut will instantly turn it into a character that speaks. Now, there are a few ways that you can make your image talk. You can 1. Type your own dialogue. 2. Record your voice directly inside CapCut. 3. Extract audio from another existing video. You can also browse through over 100 voice styles, which ranges from emotional and character-based tones to professional voiceovers. These voices also support multiple languages like English, Spanish, Portuguese, and so much more. To do a quick demo, I'll upload my image and then I'll type in this line: I am Abraham Lincoln, and I believe a nation like a person must strive to live up to their highest ideal. And just in a few seconds, the AI syncs the lips, expressions, and tone to match the voice perfectly. You can even use the lip sync feature with music for fun singing scenes as well. It's super easy and the results look shockingly real.
I am Abraham Lincoln, and I believe a nation, like a person, must strive to their highest ideal.
The AI dialogue scene isn't just for entertainment either. If you're a content creator, this is perfect for like short character videos, role plays, or music edits. And if you're a business owner or marketer, you can use it to create product explainers, add characters, and virtual brand presenters that stand out instantly. With just a single image and a bit of audio, you can make high quality shareable videos that grab people's attention. Now that you've seen how easy it is to animate a static image, let's move on to something even more powerful, which is the AI fashion model feature, where you can create your own realistic virtual models for products, visuals, or e-commerce. To access AI fashion model, click on AI fashion model under More Tool, and this will open a completely new window built specifically for creating and customizing models. Inside, you'll see 3 main options. 1. Upload clothing and replace it on ready-made models. 2. Generate your own models using AI. Or 3. Upload a real person's image for a virtual try-on. All right, let's start with the first one. So to do that, I'm uploading the clothing I want to showcase. Once that image is uploaded, the next step is to select a model from the huge variety available. You'll see options across different genders, body types, and even style. Simply click the one that you like, hit generate, and in just a few seconds, CapCut will give you a perfectly rendered image with your outfit on the model. The result looks incredibly realistic, like it came straight from a professional fashion shoot. If you like what you see, then you can download, save it, and use it anywhere you want online, like your online store, product catalog, or even marketing campaigns as well. Now, it actually gets even better. You can actually create your own model entirely with AI. To do this, click on AI option and open the prompt window where you can describe exactly the kind of model you want. Choose the 3x4 resolution for the best proportions, and then click generate, and within a few seconds, CapCut gives you 4 unique varieties that you can choose from. Just pick your favorite one, save it, and you can instantly use the same model with your uploaded clothing. The results are impressive. The models and the outfits look perfectly matched, all generated through AI. This is ideal for product mock-ups, online store previews, and even promotional visuals without the cost and the effort of traditional photo shoots. Now, let's try the third option. Instead of using a pre-made or AI-generated model, you can actually upload your own model photos. This is great when you already have a specific person in mind, maybe yourself or a client or a brand ambassador, and you want to see how your clothing will look on them. Just click upload model image and select your photo. Once it's uploaded, it appears on your model list. Then just click on it, hit generate, and within seconds, CapCut applies your clothing on that image as well. Here's the result: a perfect, realistic virtual try-on of a custom model wearing your design. This tool is a real game changer for small business owners or online sellers who want high quality visuals for maybe Shopify stores or Amazon listings, or even social media marketing. Instead of hiring photographers and models, you can actually upload your own clothing and instantly get really professional looking product images in just a few minutes. And that's how you can use CapCut's new AI tool to create videos, avatars, and even virtual models all in just a few minutes. These tools take the stress out of content creation, helping you turn simple ideas into professional results really fast. So give it a try today by clicking the link in my description. Download CapCut and try it. I can't wait to see what you'll create next.